cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some tang hoon today, glass noodle. What I did was I actually blanch it first, yeah? I actually soak it under water until it's softened like this. Then I have some veggie. I'm going to stir fry glass noodle tonight, by the way. I have some veggie, yeah, put in any greens that you like. I have about maybe 150 grams of, this is minced meat. Then we have some minced ginger, garlic, fresh coriander roots, and some salted black bean. Then we have some fried onion, my cooking appa chicken salt powder, white pepper, some salt, premium soya sauce. This is oyster sauce and some Shaoxing wine. Let's give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, we put in all the minced herbs. Saute this a bit, yeah, before we continue. Once you see the garlic started to brown, we can put in the minced meat. We are going to give it some Shaoxing wine, give it some filtered water, and some seasoning, starting with some oyster sauce, a bit of light soya sauce, some of my cooking appa chicken salt powder. We can get it from Shopping Malaysia or Shopping Singapore, any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some fine salt, some white pepper, put in the veggie. To give it some color, some dark soya sauce to give it a bit more liquid. You want to make sure the veggie they put in has been softened, yeah, before you add in the tang hoon. Right, the veggie has been softened. Next thing, I'm going to add in the tang hoon here. So you want your tang hoon to fully absorb the sauce, which it will very quickly. If you are using hot water to blanch your tang hoon, then you don't need to put so much liquid. But I'm using cold water to blanch, the room temperature water to blanch, to soak the tang hoon just now, so I put it a bit more liquid. This is after another about 1 minute. You can see the sauce has been soaked out by the tang hoon already. Almost done. Right before serving, I'm going to add in some fried shallot and fried shallot oil. And give it some final stir. I like frying tang hoon because tang hoon very easy to fry, it doesn't break like bee hoon. See, no more sauce, everything fully absorbed. This is a portion for 3 adults. There we go. Here's my very simple fried tang hoon. Very, very yummy. The secret to this is actually the salted black bean. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.